guys, so we're going to program some more Python today, and we're going to learn more about variables, and we're also going to learn about data types like string and integer. Let's get started. Okay, x equals to any word I want. So I'm gonna do double quote, and then I'm gonna search or. Okay, now I'm gonna do this space and then hashtag. The hashtag is right there. Okay, and then variable x is of type string. Okay, now we're going to go double space. Now we're going to do print x, and we need this. Okay, now we're gonna use this space return. There you go, return. Okay, now we're going to and then we're going to go file and then save all, and then double click this, then run, and then it says or. Okay, now we need to do this. X equals to 5. X equals to 5, and then this, and then variable x is now of type integer. There you go. Now I'm gonna say print x, and then when I go file, I go save all, and I right click this and I press run, and then it says or and 5. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you subscribe and like. Bye bye.